Rat, hey there, Mr. Cat. What's going on, my furry friend? Cat, oh, hello there. Tiny rat, just doing my usual cat stuff. You know, roaming around and napping all day. What about you, rat? Haha. Well, I've been busy scavenging for some tasty crumbs. Can't resist those kitchen adventures, cat. Crumbs, huh? How about you sneak into the fridge like me? That's where the real feast lies. Rat, oh, Mr. Cat, I'd love to, but it's a bit risky for my small size. Those doors are giant obstacles for me. True. Well, you've got some great acrobatic skills. My rat friend, I've seen you climbing walls like a mini spider rat. Rat, thanks, Mr. Cat. I pride myself on my agility. But hey, I've seen you chase your tail like a spinning top. So silly, yet so entertaining. Cat, ha ha ha. You caught me, rat, it's a secret. Cat workout routine to keep ourselves in tip-top shape. Gotta burn those calories somehow. Rat, absolutely, Mr. Cat. We all have our own funny quirks and ways to make life interesting. Well, here's to more amusing conversations between a rat and a cat. Cheers to that, my sneaky little friend. Let's keep this funny banter going. Meow and squeak.